All right, so here's the thing. AI shopping has seriously leveled up. ChatGPT's latest shopping features, which just rolled out in April, have turned the whole buying journey into a smooth conversational experience. You just ask like, hey, I need a gift for my mom, and boom, product recommendations with pictures, prices, and even links to buy, all in one chat. No more hopping between 10 different tabs or clicking through endless websites.
Yeah, it's like we've officially said goodbye to the days of frantically Googling and opening, 20 browser tabs to comparison shop?
Exactly. It's a total game changer. Plus, ChatGPT integrates everything so well you can check out directly. Case in point, Shopify's partnership with ChatGPT. Now users can literally find what they want, compare options, and pay, all without leaving the chat. Discovery to checkout in one interface. It's seamless.
And you know what's wild? OpenAI said this new integration handled over 1 billion web queries in just 1 week. 1 billion, that's insane adoption speed.
Right? It kind of shows how much people were ready for this shift. It just makes the customer journey so much easier. No need to deal with searching with perfect keywords anymore. Just have a conversation like you're texting a friend.
And the personalization is next level too. These assistants tailor suggestions based on preferences, reviews, even pricing. So instead of getting bombarded with ads, you're getting recommendations that actually make sense for you. It's like AI is turning into your personal shopper. Honestly, I'm here for it.
Oh, totally. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. I mean, think about how this could impact how we search for, anything. So this idea of AI changing the way we search, it's a huge deal. And when we think about discovering products, it's a perfect example. Remember when SEO was all about keywords and backlinks?
Right, you had to cram as many keywords as possible into one page just to climb the Google rankings. It was chaotic.
Exactly. Well, those days are fading fast. With AI, we're moving towards what's called AI optimization, or AIO for short. It's like SEO's smarter, more evolved cousin.
Okay, so how is it different? What's the big deal with AIO?
Great question. See, instead of relying on keywords and links, AIO focuses on context and structure. AI assistants don't rank pages the way search engines do. They literally parse your content to understand what it's about. So, if your product data isn't clear or well organized, you're just not going to show up in those top recommendations.
Wait, so we're talking about things like metadata and structured formats?
Bingo, think schema.org. It's this framework where you tag all the critical info like ratings, inventory, delivery options, so that AI systems can pull that data and display it accurately to users.
Okay, but let's be real. How many businesses are actually doing this? I mean, it sounds smart, but labor intensive.
Honestly, not enough yet. And that's the problem. Brands that adapt fast will dominate because AI doesn't just read your page, it remembers patterns and uses them to recommend products intelligently. If you don't optimize, you're invisible. Period.
And it's not just about optimizing for AI, right? It's about creating better content altogether. FAQs, detailed product descriptions, stuff that actually answers people's questions in a natural conversational way. Just, hey, what am I looking for and how can I get it? Simple.
Exactly. Plus, these descriptions need to anticipate user needs, like don't just list features, explain how they solve problems. That's what makes an AI assistant pick one product over another.
And let's not forget consistency. Your info has to line up everywhere. Your site, your social media, even third-party platforms. Because if AI finds contradictions, what's it gonna trust?
Right? And that's where a product information management system comes in. It keeps everything synced and updated. Without it, you're risking errors that could totally mess with your visibility.
Makes sense. But here's the thing, it sounds like traditional SEO techniques, like focusing on Google rankings, are pretty much obsolete now.
Not obsolete, but definitely less relevant. I mean, AI assistants don't care if you're number one on a search results page. They care whether your content actually delivers value. That's the shift we're seeing.
And that shift changes everything. Businesses gotta rethink their whole digital strategy, or risk falling behind. It's a whole new game, isn't it?
Exactly, Alex. And speaking of businesses rethinking their strategies, let's take Walmart as an example. They're doing something pretty groundbreaking to prep for this AI-led shopping revolution. Like they're building their own AI infrastructure to handle everything from reordering groceries to more thematic shopping, like, setting up a backyard movie night.
Yeah, and apparently they're not just stopping there. Did you see the bit about them working on API-level communication? That part blew my mind.
Totally. They're basically setting up their systems so third-party AI agents can interact with Walmart's data directly. Think about that. AI not just shopping for us, but making price decisions, analyzing inventory. That changes the whole game for retail.
So, what happens to those flashy ads and curated product displays, huh? If I'm not the one browsing, how does the retailer even catch my attention anymore?
Exactly. That's one of the big challenges here. AI agents don't see things the way we do. They process structured data directly. So if your product listing isn't optimized, your item may never even make it into someone's cart.
And we're seeing this shift everywhere, right? Platforms like Microsoft's Copilot Merchant Program and even Perplexity AI are pushing brands into this AI-first commerce space.
Yep, exactly. It's no longer about catching the human eye. It's about catching the AI's, eye, in quotes. Brands that don't adapt to this shift, they're in for a rude awakening.
But the thing is, it's more than just a tech challenge. This is like rewiring the entire way businesses connect with customers. AI becomes the middleman now. It's both translator and gatekeeper between products and consumers.
Yeah, and long-term, think about it. What's loyalty going to look like in a world dominated by AI recommendations? Will customers care about brands or just trust their AI to find the best deal, the fastest delivery? It's a whole new dynamic.
It's pretty wild when you think about it. AI's reshaping not just the retail landscape, but our expectations as consumers too. Efficiency, personalization, zero decision fatigue, it's all becoming the norm.
Totally. And businesses that can get ahead of this, like Walmart's doing, they're going to lead the charge. But for everyone else, it's adapt or, disappear.
On that note, it's pretty exciting to imagine where we'll be in, say, even 5 years. But for now, that's it from us today. Thanks for tuning in and exploring the future with us.
Yeah, and as always, keep questioning, keep learning. See you next time.